guys, this is Dawn, and today I'm going to show you my litter closet. At the bottom there you see a little hole. That's the cat door. And this is the litter closet. There's the cat door. And right here, probably because the light's on, it's not coming on. But this is a motion-activated light, runs on batteries. And as they come in the hole, because the closet light is not on, this turns on and gives them a light. And then they come in and they have 3 different litter boxes to choose from. And what I have done differently this time is that if you saw in my latest Chewy haul, I now have these disposable litter boxes. Now, I just put these in a week ago, and right now they are doing wonderfully. I have no problems with them. So this is just the first week they've been in here. I still have one plastic litter box, which is a little bit smaller than these two. These are the jumbos. I keep my floor lined with pee pads for the litter that gets tossed out and for any accidents, which comes in handy, so that way my floor stays protected. And then I keep all the extra litter in the corners over here. So that's it. That's the first week. I'm liking them so far. So this is the first week. I'm going to come back 1 week from today, give you another follow-up. These are supposed to last a month before you have to toss them out and put in new ones. So at the end of 4 weeks, I will be doing the complete video to show you if they're worth it or if they did not hold up for 4 weeks. So there you go, guys. That is the disposable litter boxes in my litter closet, and we're going to see if they work and if they hold up for 4 weeks. I'll be back. Okay, guys, we are back with week number 2 on the check-in on the disposable litter boxes. And here they are. And from what I've been able to tell, because I clean these at least once or twice a day, that they still are technically brand new. I haven't noticed any saturation from the urine or any tearing from the cats. I mean, nothing. So I'm completely satisfied. The only thing I have an issue with is these little indentations, which is something I have to get used to when I'm scooping it, because the scoop kind of gets caught on them because they stick out. But that's the only thing that I'm having a tiny issue with, because it's not a smooth, inside. But I mean, that's the only issue. Other than that, the cats took to them right away, and everything's working perfectly. And if you notice, there's a difference between the last video and this one. Last check-in and this one. Yes, I have a feeling one of my male cats decided, you can't see it now because this is up here, but decided to take a wee-wee in the corner behind the litter box, which is fine because I have pee pads on the floor, even all the way to the back of the corner. But I decided to hang a pee pad on the wall and let it hang into the litter box to try to stop that from happening. So that's the update, guys. I'll do another one 1 week from today, and then a 4-week check-in, and then do my video after a month, which is when these are supposed to be changed out and thrown out, and then put in new ones. See you next week. Okay, guys, week number 3 on the disposable litter boxes. And so far, so good. I mean, from what I can tell, they still seem like brand new. With 4 cats, and these 2 are the disposable jumbo litter boxes. I have had no tearing, no leaking, actually even no saturation of urine or anything. So, at this point, they could last longer than 4 weeks. So, I'm very satisfied. So, I will go to the end of next week, which will be the 4 weeks, and do my 1-month video to tell you how they lasted. But right now we're at the 3 weeks. But I'm very satisfied. I will continue to use disposable litter boxes until I can buy my LitterRobot, which will help me physically, because cleaning litter boxes is getting very demanding on me physically. But the only issue I have is these little nubbies that stick out everywhere. It still gets me every time I go to clean them. The scoop catches them and it irritates me because I'm used to a smooth-sided litter box. But that's the only irritation I have. Now, you might notice I have pee pads on the wall, and you may already notice why. Yes. When I went to go put in my disposable litter boxes, I noticed one of my cats, or maybe more, and I'm assuming my male cats, because this happened before the disposable litter boxes, so it's not because of the litter boxes, it happened before, that they were urinating against the wall or in the corner, and it was going behind the litter boxes onto the floor. And even though I have pee pads down, they were doing it so frequently, without my knowledge, that my wood floor was saturated in urine. Yes, I was not a happy camper. So, I thought that if I put this pee pad up, that would solve the problem. It didn't. They continued to do it, and the urine just went down the wall. So now I have had to hang a pee pad that hangs into the litter pan, as you can see. So that way it hangs in the litter box and not down behind the wall. I don't know why they do this. And they do it on both sides. That side is not as bad. This corner is the one where the floor is now damaged because of it. That floor is not damaged. This one is. I will have to tear the floor up and put down new wood. But at least now I have stopped the urine from reaching the floor. Has anyone else had a cat that does this? I've never had a cat that does this before, so this is new to me. But on the bright side, the litter boxes work great. So, on to week 4, next week. See you guys later. Okay guys, it's week 4 on the disposable litter boxes. And I have to tell you, I'm actually a day late. 4 weeks would have been yesterday, Saturday. Today is Sunday, so forgive me, I'm a day behind. But I checked these litter boxes this morning. I moved this one out so that I could inspect the underneath of these boxes to see if the bottom of them had been saturated with urine or if they had degraded in any way. They're not. They're actually still in like brand new condition. Even on the inside of the boxes, as I've been scooping them, they are not degraded in any way. Not even from the urine. So, I'm going to give them another week. I mean, I don't see any reason in throwing them out if they're still in practically brand new condition. So you know what? I am going to go ahead and wrap up my 4-week review on the disposable litter boxes. I do have 4 cats that have been using these boxes for the past 4 weeks, and they have held up amazingly well. So I'm going to give them an A+ for holding up to 4 cats. I will be using them again in the future because I have 2 more standing by to replace these. And that's it, guys. I highly recommend them because I'm using them now in place of plastic litter boxes so that I don't have to take them out and scrub them, sanitize them, and then dry them, and then refill them. That's just too much work for me. But I do plan on getting a LitterRobot, hopefully sometime between now and in the next 12 months. So for now, I'm going to be using the disposable litter boxes. So yep, there you go, guys. A+. They're fabulous. Ain't that right, Bubba? He goes, yes, we love them. Thanks, guys. Love, hugs, and kitty kisses. I'm going to let Baba have some privacy. Bye, guys.